In early January 2025, California faced one of its most devastating wildfire outbreaks in recent history. The Palisades and Eaton fires wreaked havoc across Los Angeles County, leaving a trail of destruction and loss. The Palisades fire ignited near Pacific Palisades, rapidly consuming over 23,700 acres. Fueled by severe drought conditions and powerful Santa Ana winds, the blaze destroyed more than 1,100 structures and resulted in 8 confirmed fatalities. Simultaneously, the Eaton fire erupted near Altadena, scorching approximately 14,100 acres. This inferno claimed 16 lives, making it one of the deadliest wildfires in California's history. The rapid spread of these fires forced the evacuation of over 100,000 residents, disrupting communities and displacing families. Emergency shelters were established, but the sheer scale of evacuations strained resources. Beyond the immediate threat to life and property, the wildfires inflicted significant damage on infrastructure. Widespread power outages and water contamination issues emerged, with economic losses estimated to exceed $50 billion. Authorities faced immense challenges in combating the blazes. The combination of strong winds and dry conditions not only fueled the fires but also hindered containment efforts, leading to prolonged battles against the flames. In the face of adversity, the resilience and solidarity of Californians shone through. Communities united to support those affected, offering aid and shelter to displaced individuals. As California begins the arduous journey of recovery and rebuilding, the January 2025 wildfires serve as a stark reminder of the challenges posed by climate change and the enduring strength of the human spirit.